coming to you again with the news that is news, especially if you are new. And if you are new, I especially welcome you here to First United Methodist Church, Killeen. And today we have a special treat. Reverend Mark Winter is with us to give us a wonderful, dramatic presentation of the circuit riding preacher. Now, I just need to see what might be next here. It seems I'm missing well, here we go. How about this quilt? Is not this quilt beautiful? Do you love this quilt? Would you like to have this quilt on your bed to keep you nice and warm? Maybe snuggle up with that special someone? Huh? You know what I'm talking about? Well, if you want this quilt, we're doing a silent auction, and out in that lobby area, sometimes called the narthex, which I have no idea what that means, but in the lobby, the Welcome Center area, there's a little sign up, and we have a silent auction going on. Bid now, bid often, bid a lot. Hey, next week, we're starting a new sermon series here at First United Methodist Church. It's the Sermon Series 5. I mean, 5. It's 5 to do with, well, 5 questions like, hey, how can I start over? And Jesus, when did we ever see you like you are thirsty? And some other very important questions that actually do affect your discipleship, my discipleship. And hey, it even affects Pastor Jeff's discipleship. Speaking of Pastor Jeff, we go to Pastor Jeff now in the sanctuary with a very special message.